Check.
Check, yo, the people.
Let's roll it, bro. Roll it. Baby Shauna.
Indigenously we have Aotearoa.
Is that you?
The revolution has begun. Take a stand. Chant the anthem. Strabo. I represent Aotearoa. The new way in that range through the head. It's on the plain. East Coast. Of Aotearoa. The whole state no foreplay. We're busting it up the guts all day. Strabo. I represent Aotearoa. The new way in that range through the head. It's on the plain. East Coast. Of Aotearoa. The whole state no foreplay. We're busting it up the guts all day. Strabo. The syndicate march to victory. That spiritual emphasis making my mark in history. Indigenous Iwi, unique in the sense I don't need a beat for like I'm a sister, you know it's tomorrow. Party of Bahuri, right up to Mahi, up Peninsula. Damai Rapa, to the Pamanui Atara. You force you, verify we open. Look for the horseshoe, Chris from me. As they ride across the moon. Marching in packs to protest some parliament sets for Maori rights. And even to the arguments addressed. Like the Maori nation tribal syndicate represents. Heaven sent this warrior from the trench to collect the rant about the law. They're talking from my hopes, I want to view and hear their tongue out. The land of every Jew and I'll be cursed on my manga. Producing the fruits of the bay with the prestige of theoreticalities. Tribal, I represent Aotearoa. The new way in that range through the head of Tonga Plain. East Coast, from Aotearoa, the whole state no foreplay. We're busting it up the guts all day. Tribal, I represent Aotearoa. The new way in that range through the head of Tonga Plain. East Coast, from Aotearoa, the whole state no foreplay. We're busting it up the guts all day. Tribal, yeah, I represent. Hey, I reach the thing to stick upon you. I'm bare feet, you couldn't sense me if you wanted to. Prominent as the opportunity. Only with all to it when it comes to rhyme. The chance to shine is about the chance to catch your clouds. And now that we've red lining. Can't bring up the main street of Hastings on horseback. They can't evade things for energy for the walk back. When they get snapped by the pudding, he on now. The legal ass, but me, I'm just speeding and cheeky color. And it's plenty of us with the peanut butter skin color leading the way like Sir Charles Bennett. So I'll beat on the knocker. We're talking to me, I'm rolling us back to the motherland. We're bringing the end to the breath of life. The first one in, they voted out of sand. With the forces like I'm lower. Take this chip off my shoulder, cause I'm tired of picking apples. Fed up with only lambs. Apart from the vineyard, my music is all we have. I'm finally ready. Eating out of spaghetti cans till I show my loyalty. My horse to my Maori flag. You know what I'm a tear, come on. I greet you in the hopper stars with a mic check. Gun boots and full gunner on behalf of my tool. But not stating my claim from the first ascertain. It's Nelson and McLean. Let's do the same no matter who says what in this democracy. This is the reason my Peter shovels leads. This don't just party, the poppers have been around for ages. Upper high posse, DLT, producing damn native. I'm here to take it to Kobe, the whole state of Aotearoa. Some of Aotearoa's greatest art, they go famous like it kidnappers in the cannons. The tribal syndicate represent the greater than the tribal. I represent Aotearoa. The new way in that range through the head of Tonga Plain. East Coast, the Aotearoa, the whole state no foreplay. We're busting it up the guts all day. Tribal, I represent Aotearoa. The new way in that range through the head of Tonga Plain. East Coast, the Aotearoa, the whole state no foreplay. We're busting it up the guts all day. Tribal.
Cheer. We only got 6 minutes apparently, so I'm not gonna do another song. I'm gonna promote myself. I got a website, tpneo6.com. It's TIPENE06 hawksbay.com. Fellas, come check me out. I dropped the EP earlier today. I'm fundraising for my old lady's unveiling. So it's only $10 a pop. Get a few tracks.
Don't be sci-fi now.
Yeah, we got a whole bunch of them at the back there. Thanks for the follow, bro. For Toe Talk World. That's what the EP's called. There's a few producers on there. There's Tui Tekka's on it. Yeah, but he didn't come back from the dead and produce anything. He's on it properly. There's Stephen Grader. He's a producer from Aussie. We got Juice from MTC, who gave us a beat. And a few of the local boys, Zone Beats. ads and KRM, and my old lady's actually on the album as well. Called her just before, you know, she took off. So yeah, and it is a fundraising for the unveiling for our nephew Richard Starr. So come and check us out. We've got a box of albums over there by the Emperor table inside. Come and Tautoko. Too much, you fellas, too much to Summit, too much Johnny Singala and his missus for putting this on.
Much love to everybody out there, and it's been a too much vibe today, and keep it going, people.
Yeah.
Aotearoa Hip Hop Strong.
Lives here.
Represent.
Lives here. Trouble!
Trouble!
Tipping everybody, put your hands together. Yeah, and support that cause. Go buy their CD now. Alright, we're gonna welcome to the stage our next act. They go by the name of Al Q.